Hey Bellaras! Welcome back to the third episode of our natural skincare series. In the last episode, we explored the amazing benefits of yogurt and how it can transform your skin. If you missed it, be sure to check it out in the link above. Today, we're diving into another skincare superstar, honey. From hydration to healing, honey is packed with incredible skin-loving properties. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our skincare tips using all natural ingredients. And watch until the end to see how this sweet treat can transform your skin. Let's get started. Honey has been a skincare favorite for centuries, and here's why it's a must-have in your routine. Number 1, it's intense hydration. Honey is a natural humectant drawing moisture into your skin and keeping it soft and supple. Number 2, it's acne fighting power. Its antibacterial properties help combat acne and prevent future breakouts. Number 3, it brightens the skin. Honey naturally lightens dark spots and leaves your skin with a radiant glow. And lastly, its anti-aging properties. Packed with antioxidants, honey helps fight free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and vibrant. It's no wonder honey is a go-to ingredient in natural skincare. Now that we know the benefits, let's talk about how to use honey in your skincare routine. Here are my top 3 favorite recipes. First, as a hydrating face mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of milk powder. Apply evenly to your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse off with warm water. This mask leaves your skin feeling deeply hydrated and refreshed. Second, as an acne-fighting spot treatment. Take a small amount of raw honey with few drops of lemon juice and apply it directly to any blemishes or pimples. Leave it on for 30 minutes or overnight and rinse it off. The antibacterial properties of honey will help reduce inflammation and redness. Third, as a gentle scrub. Combine 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of ground oats and a few drops of lemon juice. Use it gently to exfoliate your skin in circular motions, then rinse with lukewarm water. This scrub is perfect for removing dead skin cells while keeping your skin soft and radiant. Now, here are some quick tips to get the most out of honey in your skincare. Always use raw organic honey for maximum benefits. Processed honey may not have the same nutrients. Do a patch test before trying honey, especially if you have a sensitive skin. Lastly, don't overuse. 2 to 3 times a week is perfect for most skin types. With all these tips, you'll love incorporating honey into your routine. And that's it for today's episode. Honey is truly a golden treasure for your skin, offering hydration, healing, and a natural glow. What do you think about honey in skincare? Have you tried it before? Let me know your favorite honey tips and tricks in the comments below. In the next episode, we'll be talking about another incredible natural ingredient, potato. Yes, this humble vegetable has amazing skin benefits you don't want to miss, so stay tuned for that. If you're loving this series, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more natural skincare tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay glowing. Bye.